Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm showing a small section how to make the piping systems in a REVIT. I just need to be draw the piping first. So I'll show you one by one how to make the piping systems and other things. So normally what we need to do for the piping, so go to the system and here you can get the pipes. Otherwise shortcut is PI. So just you can make a pipe. Then here the option like if you want to make the new pipe, so you can duplicate this one and we can give the name for that. Okay. So then I just created two duplicated, then chilled water pipe and CHW pipe also. Okay, so I'm just using that one, and here you can see the which system type means the piping system from the family sections. So here is the family section. So you can go to the piping system, and here you can make a different piping systems. Okay, then I just want to make a pipe. Normally, I will show you one pipe example. For example, I just want to make a chilled water return and supply. I'm just using that one. And here you can choose the sizes of diameter of the pipe. So I need to use the pipe diameter around 250. Then I just want to make the elevation. Of course, you need to give. So for example, timing, I'm just giving 2000. Then I just want to draw the pipe like this. So wherever you want, so you can just draw like this. So you can give, for example, if you want to make um, for example, you want to make another levels from here. Okay, or you need to run this one at 2500 then. Okay, then you just need to be draw another. Automatically, what will happen? There will be a one bend will come. So if you go to the 3D, you can see the pipe bend goes up, right? So like that, you can make it the piping systems. And another piping system, I want to make this one another one, chilled water supply. The same size, I just need to give that one also 2000. I am starting. Then I just want to make another pipe. So there will be some gap required. So maintain that gap, and you just need to be draw the piping system from here. So here you need to go, that one is 2500. Then you just need to give 2500. So again, it need to be going down means you just need to give, okay, for example, I just want to do that one rising at around 200. So then you just draw this one automatically. You can see from that. So it will go down, right? Like that, you can make it the piping. So another things is you want to make another kind of pipe. Okay, so then go to here. I just want to change the system type. For example, condensate brine. The size I'm keeping same and just started from 2000. Then I just want to come up over here, just draw like this pipe, and wherever you need, you can just drop down or make up or anything. So if you okay, so for example, here you want to make already you given one level. So from here you just want to make it in another level. So go to modify and you can take the split with the gap or split element. So SL is the command. So then I am using this one and I'm just placing over here. So I just want to change this I to 1500 below. Okay, then you just stretch up to here. So automatically, what will happen in the 3D? It was dropped down also. So like that, you can make it. So if you want to new systems for the piping system, so any one of this you can just okay. For example, chilled water supply. I'm just duplicating and I just giving some other names. So any name after the systems. Okay, so you can give it that one. So I'm just giving this one. Um, I just want to give a pipe. Okay, so I made it that one, and then I just go to here type properties. and then go to here. And if you want to change this, so I'm just giving solid. Okay, so then go to here. I want to make this pipe on this color. I just given that. Wait, I'm just giving 4. Okay, then edit. I can make it this one over here, and just give the material over here, and this you can just make a duplicate or whatever you need. Okay, so then you can change the color, whichever color you know. Okay, for example, I'm just duplicate with the material as that, and I'm just giving like new this one. So I'm just giving pipe CHWP, something like that. Okay, whatever whatever you want. So just need to be changed this one to green. Okay, and yeah, click OK, apply. Okay. Then you just want to, I just want to create a new pipe with that. So this is the pipe. Okay, so then you can go to the system tab, then pipe. So and from here you just need to be use that one, and then draw the pipe. So it automatically the color will be generated there, and wherever you need, so you can just make the pipes easily. Okay, so another thing, so you can make the sections also here. Okay, so just to make a sections, and go to just want to split up to here, and go to view. So just give a fine shaded. So that scale we can change to some other scale. Okay, so then you can see the pipe sections and other things. So wherever you want, you can just pick it up to here. Okay, so I need up to here. So go to here, and you can split it. This one also, go to the modify. You can split it with the gap. Okay. For example, I just want to make it this one up. Okay, so just to make it up this one. Okay, if you want to change from here the level, also it will apply. So I just to make it up, and then create similar. CS is the similar, and then you can just make this one trim it. Automatically, it will come to like this. So this is the method we are using the piping systems with the different pipings you can make it, right? So different size of pipe you can make it. Okay, for example, here I want to make it this one properly down. I am just going up to here, stretch up to here, good, and just stretching up to here for clear view, and then create similar. I'm just putting up to here, and wherever you want to make it, so you can just make it that one. Okay, so if you go to the 3D view also, go to here the 3D view, so you can clearly see pipe running like that in the different levels. Same way for the other one, the go to the better make it section view. Then you can clearly do all the pipe directions and other things. Okay, so for example, I'm just making this one. If you want to make it up also, you can make it, and even from the down also, you can make. You can play with that with as per your requirement of the pipe directions. So if you go to the 3D view, then you can see all the piping, routing, and other things clearly. And then you can give the tag also for the pipe. I think that the tag is not loaded. Okay, like this way is the a different kind of piping we are making using piping systems. Different sizes you can make it. Okay, so for example, if you want to make it up to 250, this level you want to give like 2000, whatever sizes. Okay, so you can just make it that one clearly like this. Different systems you can change it from here. This is the another one, so you can just make it that clearly with the different piping system. The piping system from the family, and then you can create a lot of piping systems. So water supply, if you want to make a water supply, so you can make the water supply pipe also clearly. And then another systems if you want. So go to here, fire protection if you want. Okay, so then you can just make the fire protection pipe also. And then you can go to the 3D view and you can see the pipes, how it's look in the 3D. Okay, this is the method draw the pipe in Revit, like different systems and levels also you can change it. Okay, this is just for a practice. Okay, so whenever you want to make a down, you can make these sections also. Easily you can make these sections from here. Like you can go to here and make these sections wherever you want to make it down or up or riser, any riser you want to make, any equipment is here, you can connect with that. Okay, all the things you can do it from here. Yep. Go to view and then create similar and you can just make like this. If you are looking in the 3D, so you can see you're already bending down. So hopefully this exercise you people like to please subscribe my channel and um, yeah, and practice it. If you have any doubts, please connect me. Thanks. Thanks for watching.